Good morning, guys. We are going to discuss about the preparation of phenol. It is second methods. The phenol can be prepared from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Here in these reactions, benzene is treated with the sulfonic oleum. Benzene is treated with the oleum. Like we are taking the benzene. This benzene is treated with the oleum. Oleum is nothing but it is a H2S2O7, or we can say it is a fuming sulfuric acid. It is a very highly concentrated sulfuric acid. It is a very highly concentrated sulfuric acid. The molecular formula for oleum H2S2O7. This is the molecular formula for oleum. So when benzene is treated with oleum, oleum is nothing but it is a fuming sulfuric acid, highly concentrated acid. So it gives benzene sulfonic acids. It gives benzene sulfonic acids. This is the benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid is treated with the sodium hydroxide, molten sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin temperature. This benzene sulfonic acid is treated with the sodium hydroxide, molten sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin. It gives sodium phenoxide. It gives sodium phenoxide. This is the sodium phenoxide. This is a benzene sulfonic acid. The sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide on acidification with the acids, dilute acids like hydrochloric acids and sulfuric acids, it gives phenol. We use hydrochloric acids, dilute hydrochloric acids, it gives phenol and sodium chloride. Here this sodium and chlorine goes as a byproduct. It gives phenol and sodium chloride. If you use dilute sulfuric acid, it gives sodium sulfate, phenol and sodium sulfate. So we can prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. In this method, benzene is treated with oleum. The molecular formula H2S2O7 or H2SO4 SO3. It is a fuming sulfuric acid. This is a fuming sulfuric acid. So it gives benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid heated with the molten sodium hydroxide at a 623 Kelvin temperature, it gives sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide on acidification gives phenol and sodium chloride. Here in this reaction, this benzene sulfonic acid first react with 1 mole of sodium hydroxide. It gives sodium benzene sulfonate. It gives sodium benzene sulfonate. Here this OH and this hydrogen goes out as a water molecules. Okay, it gives it goes out as a water molecule. It gives sodium benzene sulfonate. This sodium benzene sulfonate treated with the excess of sodium hydroxide, we taking 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. It gives sodium phenoxide. It gives sodium phenoxide. It gives sodium phenoxide and giving sodium sulfite Na2SO3, then water. Here 1 mole of sodium, okay, 1 mole of sodium is attached here, and the remaining goes as a sodium sulfite giving sodium phenoxide. So do you understand, friend? So from benzene sulfonic acid, phenol can be prepared. Okay, in this method we are taking the benzene is treated with the oleum, or we can say fuming sulfuric acid. It gives benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid heated with the molten sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin temperature, it gives sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide on acidification gives phenol and sodium chloride. So in this method, this benzene sulfonic acid first react with 1 mole of sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium benzene sulfonate. Then this sodium benzene sulfonate treated with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium phenoxide and giving sodium sulfite and water. So this is second method for preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Do you understand, students? I hope you understand. If you like my video, subscribe, share it for your friends for getting more updates. Thank you, students.